Make your home as comfortable as possible with the Ivation Smart Portable Air Conditioner. This unit solves all your home air concerns by working as an air conditioner, a dehumidifier, or a fan. Installing the exhaust is quick and easy with a 5-foot exhaust pipe and an expandable window ceiling plate that mounts horizontally or vertically and expands between 26 and 50 inches. Select your ideal settings with temperature control, a swinging fan, and 3 fan speeds. Control each setting in 3 ways with the integrated control panel, the included remote, or from your smartphone with the My Ivation app. Connect your unit to Wi-Fi once and check in from anywhere to dial in your temperature, timer, or mode settings. Roll your air conditioner into the perfect place with the rolling casters, and the washable air filter makes maintenance a breeze. Set up your unit to drain continuously or allow the reservoir to store water until you're ready to drain. With 4 models that have up to 13,000 BTUs that cool rooms up to 500 square feet, total air comfort is easier than ever with the Ivation Smart Portable Air Conditioner.